There are just 2 weeks left till the end of 2024, and with the new year comes a number of new laws. From crime to parking to housing, we take a look at some of the new state laws that will soon take effect and how it will impact your community. I sat down with San Luis Obispo County District Attorney Dan Dowd to talk with him about how some of those new laws may affect crime-fighting efforts here on the Central Coast. He told me provisions in Proposition 36, which was passed by voters in November, allow for stiffer penalties, including felony charges for certain drug and theft crimes. It also allows for longer sentences for repeat offenders.
And so we will now be able to elevate certain cases from misdemeanor to felony for people that are repeat offenders, repeat thieves, repeat theft crimes, repeat drug crimes, and it creates a new class of drug possession cases where the court will mandate that the defendant, if he agrees, to take treatment for his drug addiction or her drug addiction.
He says he's been working with law enforcement and local businesses to post signs warning would-be thieves that San Luis Obispo County will enforce these new provisions. But he added that the rehabilitation provided in the mandated drug treatment is also important.
And right now, today, there's really very little way that the court can mandate treatment at all. We have to ask them to, and because the consequences for a misdemeanor are so small, they've not really been willing to go through with most of the rehabilitation offers. So I believe that Prop 36 and these changes will help our local economy by us being able to be more tough on repeat theft offenders and repeat drug crimes.
Dow says another new law going into effect with the new year will elevate all solicitation of a minor for sex to a felony. Senate Bill 1414 is closing a gap that kept some offenses at the misdemeanor level. Now all solicitation of a minor for sex is a felony regardless of age. Dow created a task force 10 years ago to crack down on sex trafficking locally.
And we've done a number of sting operations to take down traffickers and also would-be purchasers of children for sex. In fact, over the last tail end of last week, our joint task force with the sheriff's office and the district attorney's office arrested 3 individuals that were attempting to meet up with minors that were under the age of 15 for the purpose of sexual contact. And we're going to be aggressively prosecuting those 3 individuals.
Those are just a couple of examples of a slew of new laws that will be going into effect. Dow says he's already begun the process of providing summaries to local law enforcement and to all staff in the district attorney's office regarding the new legislation. Here are some of the other new California laws that you should know about. Starting the new year, you are not allowed to park a vehicle within 20 feet of any marked or unmarked crosswalk or 15 feet of any crosswalk where a curb extension is present. Farm workers can soon use paid sick days to prevent the effects of working outdoors in dangerous conditions such as smoke or extreme heat. And beginning in March, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and other food delivery services will need to provide customers with the first name and a photo of their delivery driver.